What are you doing tonight?
Well, actually, I was hoping we can go out to the fair. You know how she's open tonight. But
Can't really think.
I don't know. Because there's some things like, you know, how the game...
Oh, hold on, my phone's ringing. Hold on. Hello? I think you better take this. I don't know who this is.
Hello? Yeah, the day.
To the fair. So,
yeah, my door's unlocked. Yeah, make sure I
To
lock
the
them
fair,
in late.
right?
I don't want no one breaking in. Yeah, I think I can get the...
The tickets.
What?
Like, the tickets. Can you get the ticket? What?
What happened? He said he's outside. Who?
Look up the,
I don't know.
Look out the window.
Is he out there?
There's a car, but I don't know who.
You can't see who's in there?
No, it's not black.
Who are you? Well, what do you mean I don't know? No, the windows are locked. What do you mean you're inside the house?
Who's at the door?
He said he's inside the house.
Lock the door. Lock the doors. I know. You gotta run. You gotta hide. Where's Kim? Come on.
Open the door. I don't want to die. I'm for you.
Where's the light switch? Oh my gosh.
Is he out there?
I don't know.
We gotta jump up to the window.
No, we can't.
Why?
We're on the second floor.
What are you doing?
Oh.
Help.
What the?
Look, we can jump to the garage.
roof.
And then from the garage, we can jump in the car. Help.
What the?
The windows are shut locked.
No.
Look from the outside. Hurry out. No, we can't let them see us.
Hide.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Who's next? Good girl. No.